trying to find something?
The Akatsuki does not apply to traitors.
Yahiko was the one who founded the Akatsuki, not you. The red clouds on these cloaks symbolize the unending wars that rained blood down upon the Hidden Rain.
I encouraged and pushed Yahiko to form the Akatsuki. And I was the one who gave Nagato the Rinnegan. Bear your fangs in me, yet you wear that cloak. He's the man who will change this nation and this world. Do not underestimate the visual prowess of Uchiha. This land continues to weep. It endures pain.